Good morning, all. Happy Monday mornings. Wish you all a good Monday and a good week ahead. And before we start, one quick thing probably trading, whatever your outcomes in trading are, both good and bad, joy and agony, don't let that spill into other things that you do in life. Trading is just one of the, five different things that we do in life. Okay, so let it be because as market volatility expands, we expect it to expand. You will see large swings both sides probably. Let's see how it goes. So we'll start with a quick on US market analysis and my take on it. Firstly, what you see is, S&P last two, three sessions, if you see from the top, it was 45.25 to 245. So it is corrected up approximately 6%, okay, which is massive for an index of this size, okay, in terms of volume and everything. A 6% correction in such a short time. And I think that move has happened way too fast for us, okay, in general. So we'd expect some sort of a consolidation, or maybe even a technical pullback, but I think the degree of selling has been higher. What I'm trying to convey here is may not see an immediate follow through hereafter, but some sort of a consolidation. From that point of view, 42 45 areas is a point of reference for me. So if we start seeing some consolidation and hold of these levels, we might see the global markets consolidating at this point, okay, at least for today's session. Okay, that's S&P. Nifty, if you remember, last week somewhere we decided and we spoke that one of the key ranges that we want to deal with is 17050, and from there I was looking for a pullback to 17400. I mentioned as well, and then a rotation in that 17400 to 17050 range, right? Okay, and if you see, we did almost did that in terms of market structure and movement. I think it moved to 430, 440 and then kind of pulled back. And today, gap down opening is expected somewhere below 17050 levels. Okay, at this point, whatever SGX shows. So, basis that, I would assume that we'll look to sort of open below those 17050 levels that we had discussed, something like this, let's say. Okay, so and then the next obvious ranges, as I said, is 800, 850 ranges, and if you hold below 800, we are looking for a larger expansion to 16 650s. Okay, that's the plan. If you look at the immediate 30-minute profile charts here. Okay. Um, uh, uh, so what I'm looking for as a plan today is to see how we react to 17035. Now I'm looking at 1703550 ranges. If you're able to price is able to hold below it, like it happened, that day, it opened below and pushed back. So hold into it. I'm looking for a pullback to test 150 200 ranges. Okay, and then probably a rotation or downside. In case we are opening below 17050, which may be the case, I'd see whether 50 works as a resistance, and then we look for a lower pullback. Okay, any hold below 800 levels, we 800 next target is around 850. So any hold below 800, 850 is the next target. Any hold below 800 level, probably we can see a larger slide. I don't expect that to happen right away. So my bet here is a resistance at 1703050 and a support at 850 800 levels, and prices either doing this in the first half, or sort of holding these levels and looking for a consolidation here. Okay, so watch for these two levels from a Nifty point of view. Then also 17,000 put open interest is pretty high, so we have to see how they react. They will probably unwind, but that has been the support so far. So we'll see if it reacts this way in terms of pulling back the way it did on your 20th, or we sort of hold below. If you hold below, I look for a short side trade for some sort of continuation to 850. I'm not going to look for short at 800 850. I think we'll see if really break 800. Else, I think from if it get to 850, I think there are potential pullback opportunity trades there. Okay, on the long side. Okay. On Bank Nifty point of view, I think your key level has been 35.7 750s. Okay, if we really hold, break below and hold below 700, 750 ranges, we could see a larger move on the downside. Okay, so Bank Nifty, I'm looking at, if you see the Bank Nifty charts, yes. So Bank Nifty, I'm looking at first potential hit and 27750 ranges, depending on where the gap down happens. I'd expect some sort of a support between 700 to 600 ranges. Okay, if we start holding into 700 600, probably a pullback opportunity to 900 ranges is on the cards. In case we are holding below 600, okay, even then move to 400 and below that to 200 is possible. Okay, so use 500, 600 to 700 as a support zone, and 36 900 areas as a potential resistance zone for this move today. Okay, guys, I think that should be it. Rest on the live commentary in our Telegram group is something we'll cover. Wish you a good day again. So manage your risk well, trade well. Thank you.